Red 32 Just Come Back. No to Don't Go. Mam nadzieję, że tak szybko nie wyleci z propozycji. Przede wszystkim może nie wróć. Niech wyleci z propozycji i niebawem w gorącej 20 jako nowość.
I don't know where you come from, yeah, but you're everywhere I go. Oh, yeah. I don't know why you chose me, but as long as you're here, yeah, I don't need to know. So don't go.
Yeah. When I got introduced to ya, I knew I'd be true to ya. Everyone wanted a piece. You whispered to me that it's sweet, cause it's me you love, and I feel it in my soul. It's like you always with me on the road, phone in my hand while I listen to you moan, and everybody in the car wants to try and get involved, yeah. And then you make us out of tone. Puppy love, now I'm like giving them a moan. Show me up how I could even have a flow. I love concrete, we should be set in stone, yeah. And whenever I'm in doubt, yeah, you forever calm me down, yeah. And sometimes I'm a dummy and I know I would've crashed if you never was around.